Hi everyone, welcome back to Box's YouTube channel where we do unboxing, reviews and product demos on the latest tech. Today we'll be reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix SCAR 17. The design on this is lovely. It features RGB lighting on the logo, keyboard, bottom of the chassis and under the screen for a unique style that shows it's a gaming laptop. But the sleek matte black frame stops it from being overkill, allowing you to feel comfortable taking this on the go with you from university to your friend's house. We also have a customizable element with the removable hinges that come in the box. We have transparent, grey and silver. The build quality feels really strong and the materials of a good quality, which is what you'd expect really from a premium gaming laptop such as this. Whilst the chassis feels sturdy, it's not too heavy either as it weighs 2.7 kilos. The mechanical keyboard is well laid out and the keys feel really nice to use, and it has a transparent element which gives it an unusual twist. It also has customizable RGB backlighting, and the trackpad was accurate and responsive on a range of games from Call of Duty to Gears of War. We also have the Keystone, which is a physical key that slots into the laptop and unlocks access to whatever you set. This could be games, personalised settings, private files and much more. This is a great way to give increased security and peace of mind when on the go. In terms of ports, we have two USBs and an audio jack on the left. Then on the back we have the USB, USB-C, HDMI, Ethernet and charge port. The USB-C port is handy as it allows easy connectivity from a range of devices. For example, you can easily charge your USB-C phone from it and share data at a faster speed. The 17.3-inch screen gave a really generous amount of space, which was brilliant. It's full HD, so it gave pretty sharp visuals and a range of content too. However, if you're looking for Quad HD resolution, feel free to check out our review of the ROG G15, which is in the link below. The IPS panel gave incredibly bold and bright colours as it covers 100% of the sRGB colour spectrum, and these colours remained accurate from a range of viewing angles as there was barely any colour distortion. Now let's take a look at the gaming specs. On this laptop we have an incredible 360Hz display and a response time of just 3 milliseconds grey to grey. This gave me incredibly smooth, sharp and fluid gaming on a range of content from action adventure to racing. It also helped to give a competitive advantage because I could be more precise on games such as first-person shooters as there was no stutter or blur. The graphics card on this is the new Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080, which offers ray tracing and AI features such as DLSS AI rendering, which can boost frame rates, as well as AI acceleration in creative apps. In terms of processors, we have the AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX, which is perfect for gaming laptops. It has 8 cores, low latency, excellent performance and efficiency, and can be overclocked. This gaming laptop has 5 preset modes, which are Windows, Silent, Performance, Turbo and Manual. These allow you to easily adjust a range of settings from cooling to GPU performance to give you the optimum settings for what you're playing. This laptop could easily handle multitasking on a range of heavy tasks from 4K video editing to gaming and watching playthroughs thanks to its huge 32GB of RAM, making it perfect for those who like to stream or chat while gaming. And with a generous 2TB SSD, I could easily save large files such as my games and 4K video content straight onto the fast internal SSD without worrying about running out of memory. Not only can this powerful laptop handle and save files with ease, it can do so for most of the day as the battery lasted 6 hours for me with gaming, web browsing, media streaming and content creating. This makes it brilliant for taking on the go with you on a day of moderate use as you aren't likely to have to worry about charge. However, on long trips where you do need charge, luckily the USB-C port means you can charge it up with a USB-C charging pack or even your phone charger, meaning you don't need to carry the large charger with you. The fans on this laptop were incredibly quiet and efficient, and cooling was also maximised by the liquid metal compound on the CPU, which improves heat transfer and dissipation. Something that also really impressed me on this laptop was the two-way AI noise cancellation, which I think is a feature that will be loved by streamers and those who love to chat while playing. This worked brilliantly at removing any unwanted background noise from recordings. I actually recorded the audio for this video on the laptop, and you can hear how clear and sharp it is. The audio is also really good as it has the virtual 5.2.1 channel surround sound by Dolby Atmos with 2 tweeters and dual smart amp woofers, which gave sharp and direct sound as well as a bit of bass on games, music and movies. I found the sound to be really immersive on Hellblade as the voices seem to come from all directions. This laptop also equipped with the latest technology as it has Wi-Fi 6. This allows increased efficiency and reliability on crowded networks and would make it a perfect companion for busy coffee shops or lecture theatres. Wi-Fi 6 can also reduce latency when gaming, or if you wanted even lower latency, perhaps when multiplayer gaming, you can complement the Wi-Fi by using the built-in RJ45 port. Overall, this is a brilliant premium gaming laptop that is packed with awesome specs, from its 360Hz refresh rate to RTX 3080 GPU and 2TB onboard storage. It literally has everything you need as a gamer, encased in a beautiful design, and it comes at a reasonable price when compared to other RTX 3080 laptops. What do you guys think? Make sure to let us know in the comments below, and if you have any questions, pop them down and we'll be happy to get back to you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to keep up to date with the latest tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.